Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, three babies talked in their cradle. One Hazrat Isa alayhi salam and the one amongst the Banu Israel called Jurej. While he was performing the prayer, his mother came and called upon him. He was still thinking whether to reply the mother or keep on performing the prayer. His mother said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he must not die until he sees the faces of whores. When Jurej was in his hermitage, a woman came and talked to him to seduce him for doing sex, but he refused. She went to a shepherd and entrusted herself to him. Later she gave birth to a son and claimed it is of Jurej. The people came and demolished his hermitage, brought him down and reviled him. Whereat he performed ablution and prayer, then came to the boy and said, O boy, who is your father? He replied, the shepherd. The people said, we rebuild your hermitage of gold. He said, no, but you should make it only of clay. The third one, a woman of Banu Israel was suckling her son, and a handsome rider happened to pass by her. So she said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make my son like him. The baby left her breast, faced the riders and said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, don't make me like him. Then he again started sucking the breast. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, as though I were still witnessing the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sucking his finger. Then a slave girl happened to pass by him. She said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, don't make my son like him. The boy left her breast and said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make me like her. She asked the baby, why is so? He replied that rider is one of the tyrants, and people say that this slave girl commits theft and illegal sexual intercourse, whereas she does not commit any of these crimes. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3436.